Okay, you have to redo this one where you put a C14, you put it on this side, which is not the place it goes. Here we go. C14. Okay, to clarify how these go, they go flat in the groove there, and there's grooves there, and also there's grooves under there and grooves under there, so they're flat, so the ball bearing can fall down straight into there. On the other side of this goes a piece called N, and it goes through two slots here, which is a little bit difficult to put in these two pieces. So I'm going to do it off camera. It goes straight into there like that. As you can see, it's in very well and very firm indeed. That's N. This P, and it goes on like that, and the slot fits into this one here. This is a piece called U, and it goes from here, this little slot there, to this little slot here. Firmly fixed on. This is a piece called S, and it fits onto this hook here. I had to do this off camera because it's a bit difficult to put on, but this is T, and it goes into there, so it clips into there. T had two holes here, so it's two places it fits on. It's very firm indeed. I had to take this off here to do it. This piece is called W, fits into there and that slot there. There you go, so completes the track there. Okay, so we have B7 and this is B10. We have B9. We have G7, which goes into slots here. G7 goes into slots here. And G4 goes in the center. That's it. So we have G, A21 and A21 and G6, which goes into G5 go into there. Put this in there. We have P1 and P2, or we put that in there. That's it. Okay, we have B8 and B13. We have B16. This one. We have B8, B14, and B15. So that one's called number 2 and this is called number 3. Okay guys, so this is B30, this is a short, and that's tall. So B28, this one goes through there, short one, this way. And B31 goes this side. B21 goes to B12. B22 goes to B11. Then this goes along here. So this is number 4 and it goes in there. These are the slots. Number 4. There it goes. It goes. Number 2 got 2 holes at the top there. It goes into that one there. Number 3 with 1 hole goes into there. This last one will go this way, so you can flip like this, and it goes into those 4 holes there. C16 goes in this slot here. C19 in there. And C21 goes to that top one here. I found this next part a little bit difficult to understand, but I think I figured it out. So this one here, which is B34, got a square hole there, so it goes into the square, and this is not square. And then that B34 goes across here into these 2 things. So that's on there. That's a V, I think. Yeah, so that's on there. That's a V. This is a Y, and this Y goes across from there to there. As you can see, this one's in there like that, like I showed you before, and that'll go under there, and this one will go on top of this. Like that. D13. E13. A22. It's a little difficult to put on, but that slides into there. If you can see that. Slides into there. Slides into the next one too, which is that's slid on now. Okay guys, so this gave me a lot of problem here, and this gave me a lot of problem there, and this also gave me a lot of problem here, and I had to redo some of these things in order to get there, and I also broke my spring trying to do it, but I just taped it up. Okay, so now it's kind of working, so let's see what happens. Well, this project has been a bit of a challenge. I hope you like, subscribe, thumbs up, and I have put the links to the other parts for this project. I want to thank you for watching.